of absolute value, like modulus of 3 is equal to plus 3, modulus 2.5 is equal to 2.5, modulus of minus 7 is equal to minus of minus 7, it means 7, modulus of minus 4.8 is equal to minus of minus 4.8, it means plus 4.8. The absolute value of a number is always positive. It's true or false, we have to think here. The absolute value of a number is always positive. The absolute value of number either positive or 0. Yeah, exactly, because when we are using the number 0, it means a distance from the point 0 is 0. So the absolute value of number is always positive and may be equal to 0. So this is false statement. The true statement is the absolute value of a number is either positive or 0. The absolute value of every real number is non-negative. This will be the right answer. So greater than or equal to 0 is the perfect the result for the absolute value of any number. Here is some properties of multiplication. Multiplicative property of 0. When we multiply 0 by any number, the result will be always 0. The product of a number and 0 is 0. And 0 point a is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by a is equal to 0. Commutative properties, multiplicative identities, associative property of multiplications, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको देखना क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल बेसिक है और इसको स्किप करने से कई सारे जो इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनको सॉल्व करने के टाइम पे ये प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ता है हम लोगों को. सो इट मस्ट बी कीप इन आवर माइंड वाइल वी आर discussing the basics of the multiplication and their properties. So multiplicative identity, if we are multiplying 4 by 1, it means 4, the product of a number and 1 is that number. So 1 into a is equal to a, 1 into b is equal to b, 1 into c is equal to c. Associative property of multiplication, like 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24, and 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. It means that if we are taking 2 or 3, 2 and 3 in the same box and then multiply by 4, or we are taking 3 and 4 in the same box and multiply by 2, the result will be same always. So changing the grouping of 3 or more factors does not affect the product. It will be always equal to like ABC is equal to ABC. Here BC is in the bracket and AB is in the bracket, but result will be same always. Distributive property of multiplication over addition, like 2 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. 3 times x plus 2 is equal to 3 times x plus 3 times 2. So a sum multiplied by a factor is equal to the sum of that factor multiplied by each addend. So a multiplied by b plus c in bracket. So if we open the bracket, the result will be ab plus ac, and now